So I was looking on YouTube on how to change a burn connector for a low beam headlight bulb, and I couldn't really find one for a 2011 Chevy Impala. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do mine. So this is how the new one looks. I got this one from Pet Boys, and it was like $9, I think. And so yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so everything I'm gonna basically use is this right here, a blade, electric tape, and a new bulb. And how you take this off is really easy. So basically you just take this white lock right here, or I don't know how you really call this, and there's a screw that goes right here, and mine, I don't know, for some reason it's not it's not on. It didn't come on. But you can see the passenger one, it has it right here, and also the black lock. So it's really easy. So all you have to do is basically just pull it out, and there's two, I don't know how you call this, two little locks that go over here. So this is the low beam and this is high beams. So mine was the low beam that melted off. So all you gotta do is twist this to take it off, and so here it is. That's what it looks like. So I was messing with it earlier, and so yeah, as you can see, it melted, and this is how it's supposed to look like. So all I'm gonna really do is cut this off right here, and I'm just gonna attach it to this ones right here, to this cables, and use the electric tape. And so yeah, it's really easy. But I mean, this is how I'm doing it. I know there's like a professional way to do it, but I mean, it's the same thing. And also, this is how you change the bulb, the high and low beam pumps. So all you gotta do is really twist this to the right, and it comes off. And so you can put the new one. As you can see, it's burned. So I got a new one. As you can see, I touched one already. I'm just gonna do this next one, and yeah, I'm gonna try it on. Alright, as you can see, it works. All you have to do is just put it back on. Alright, so all you have to do is put it back on, twist it to the left, and that's basically it. Don't forget to put that cap back on. Alright, so that's done. Just carefully put it back on. Put your lock back on. That's it. It's working.